what you've been worrying about. Never mind, other people tryna bring you down. Oh, never mind, all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how I did tribal braids on her hair. She has 4C hair and I am going to do the style. So guys, no lie, she's probably one of the clients that has super thick hair. I deal with a lot of clients and a lot of people are natural, basically everyone. And girl, okay, she has some thick hair. She know it too. That's why she wanted me to blow her hair out. And it's not a bad thing, you know, that your hair is thick. I will always say I would rather hair be too thick than too thin, because you can do something with hair that's too thick. But when your hair is too thin, girl, you can't make more hair than you already have. You feel me? So I don't have a problem with hair that's very thick. It just takes a little bit more time in order to like properly detangle, and a little bit more time to kind of get everything where you need it to be, okay? But like I stated, she wanted tribal. She wanted basically regular tribal braids with like a part on the side, a little bit of designs, but nothing too crazy. And that is it, guys. And then she wanted the back, of course, box braided. So I have the back of her hair that basically have medium-sized knotless braids. So she has like a medium-sized lower back length, and the color is like a T1B27. So it's kind of like 27 mixed throughout the 1B color, okay? And then the ends of all the hair is 27. So 27 is like a honey blonde color, okay? So here I am, guys. I prepped everything out. I do not recommend that product that I'm using. The product that I used it's like African's Best product. It's like a leave-in conditioner. I don't like that product because it leaves like a film. It's like super thick, and it doesn't seem like it allows the hair, it doesn't penetrate the hair shaft to the point where it moisturizes. It seems like it just sits on top of the hair, and I don't really recommend that product. I really was just trying to kind of use the product and use the product on different hair textures to see if it was just like my hair texture or my son's hair texture or someone else's hair texture, guys. But I use this on multiple people's hair texture, and it's just all the same. Let me know if you guys use this product and see how it did. So I'm using, like I already showed you guys, it's the 50-inch Queen Bee. Again, it's the color T1B27. I used 2 packs of the 4-in-1 pack, so technically it's 8 bundles that I basically use. Yeah, so, and the products that I'm using, they are the Shine and Jam products, and I usually like to use the Shine and Jam in the orange container. I feel like all the other Shine and Jams is just kind of like you ain't really laying. Like, you're laying right now, but if I don't braid your hair real quick, like, you're not gonna lay no more. You know how the Shine and Jam products are on 4C hair. I'm sure you guys already probably dealt with it if you do hair already. Like, the Shine and Jam is cool, and like the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers, that's cool too. It's a slightly better hold. But guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, the Shine and Jam in the orange to me has the best hold. Also, on top of that, girl, the Style Factor has the better hold out of all of those. So Edge Control honestly has a better hold. So I am slowly transitioning to Edge Control for braided styles, because I just feel like you get neater results. You get a better grip, neater results, and you have a longer hold. That is my opinion, because Shine and Jam gets greasy easy, and I just don't really like that, okay? So here I am, guys. I'm doing medium-sized parts. I am left-handed, so I tend to add the hair from the left-hand side. If you are new to this channel, I am left-handed. If you are right-handed, which I know majority of you guys are, I'm so sorry I'm not a right-handed braider, but I hope you guys can still get some tips from this video. The only difference is you guys will probably feed the hair on the opposite side and not on the left-hand side. That is the only difference, guys. Everything else is basically the same. In a minute, you guys are going to see me zoom in so you guys can actually see how I am adding hair to everything. And yeah, so I always say, even if the hair is the same color, make sure you always tuck the client's hair behind the braiding hair, so that way when the hair does get old, the style gets old, you can still hide the hair and it's not so many frizzy pieces or the client's real hair sticking out. Because, you know, how much is it really a protective style if the client's hair is sticking out, guys? So yeah, the whole backhand, the whole back of her head, those are all going to be medium knotless braids. I'm going to let you guys kind of watch how I do the rest of the braids in the back. And then when I get to the front, then I'm going to come back. Oh yeah, guys, and all the products that I'm using will be in the description box below.
All the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people tryna bring you down. Or never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. You're so good to me, and I can't even speak. Sometimes all I can do is cry. Close my eyes, raise my hands, do a dance for you. Praise you, it's true to the one it belongs to. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind lately. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. Mind over matter, they don't matter. So do you mind if I just give you all the praise I have inside? Never mind to the things going on right now. I just wanna say hallelujah, praise God.
Okay, y'all, so now that I am done with that, here I am about to go ahead and do the cornrows on the front. So on the left-hand side, that is where the part is going to go. It's going to start from on the right side of her head going towards the left. So it's kind of like a diagonal part. And I did all of those cornrows following that part on that side. And these cornrows are going to go in the opposite direction of that part, okay? So the ones going to the left are going to the left, and these are going to go to the right, okay? And I'm just going to do it in the feed-in type of style as well, like a stitch type of style. So here I am, guys. I'm just kind of slowing it down a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and start with the stitch a little bit. Just go ahead and braid her hair. Her hair is so thick, guys. You really don't have to add much braiding hair to this style because of the thickness of her hair, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and create the stitch with my thumb. As you guys can see, I'm smoothing it, and then I'm going to go ahead and create the stitch with, not my thumb, I'm talking about my thumb, y'all, my pinky, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and create that stitch with my pinky. If it's not straight enough, I'm going to go ahead and go back into it and do it a little bit more. And then I'm just going to keep on braiding. I'm only going to create that stitch with my left pinky, okay? Since I am left-handed, it's just way easier for me to have control, all right? So here I am just adding little pieces of braiding hair. I'm going to only add a half of the braiding hair, braid it into it, and then go on the opposite side and go ahead and do that, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and create that stitch after I add that braiding hair. And I think the stitch kind of hurts people sometimes, especially when they're really, really, really tender-headed. She's very, very tender-headed. So me creating that stitch was not really comfortable for her. Now, I do not braid tight, guys, so that's not what it is. It's just some people are really, really tender-headed, especially when they have super mega thick hair, okay, like that. So, yeah, I'm just going to keep on doing that, guys. Braid to the right, braid to the left, pull the hair, add a little bit of braiding hair, add half of that braiding hair in, and then create that stitch once again. Grab that part that I'm stitching, braid that braiding hair into to the right side, and then go back to the left and add the braiding hair back into it, okay? Some parts I may feel like, you know, like right there, like some of the edges may be in and I don't want it in, so I'm just going to go ahead and get that comb and comb those out, okay? I'm pulling again, stitching, okay, and then I'm just going to braid to the right and then braid to the left. So I'm going to keep on doing that when it comes to this braid, guys. It's very, very, very simple. I do not have a method of how many pieces I add to the cornrow, okay? Only thing I can say is however thick you want to make it. If it's starting to look too skimpy, add some more hair. If it's not matching the other braids, add some more hair. If it's too big, take it out, guys. Don't be afraid to take out cornrows when they are too thick or something is done wrong, okay? Do not be afraid because, you know, this is an art whenever you're braiding hair, you know, and if you notice something that you mess up on, then go ahead and take it out and redo it, guys. You're going to want to make sure that, especially if you're a new braider, I highly, highly recommend that you take pictures. And if something is off, it's going to throw off your picture. So make sure you try to make everything as even as you can make it, okay? So yeah, I'm just going to keep on doing that, guys. And I see that I'm getting close to the size that I want. So if I do add a little bit of braiding hair, it's going to be just a little bit more. But for the most part, I'm just going to keep on braiding towards the back, okay? I highly recommend you guys do the knotless box braids first and then braid the front travel braids, because sometimes when you braid the front, start off with the front and have to lift it out the way to go ahead and do the knotless braids at the back, the tribals may tend to stick up. So just be mindful of that, guys. Just be really, really, really mindful of that, okay? All right, guys, love you so much. Just continue watching. You're going to watch me finish those braids as well as setting the braids. If you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.
All the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people tryna bring you down. Or never mind all the things that's been going